For those of you who are living in diaspora, Nigerians living in diaspora, this video is for you because one way or the other, you may need police character certificate to do whatever you wanted to do. Maybe if you are looking for citizenship in a country where you are living or other important document that warrant police character commission. And you have been finding it difficult on how to obtain it. Now, the federal government, in conjunction with the Nigerian police, have established a website whereby you can go in and create your own page. You create your own data and your detail, and you can upload everything that is needed and pay online. You will have your police character certificate downloaded right into your email. So if you are ready, I will take you step by step on how you will get your police character certificate or police clearance. Now, you have to go to your website and type posap.gov.ng, posap.gov.ng. When you type it, you allow it to load. When it load, you will see where it says log in. You click log in, then you register with your email. Register with your email. After registration, you will see select service. In that select service, you will see whether individual or corporate body or NGO. Then you know the one you wanted to choose. If you are doing it for yourself, you choose individual. Then after that, you will see a column where you will type police character certificate or police clearance. Once you do that, it will give you a form to fill in your personal information. In that form, you have to fill it carefully. Make sure you did not make mistake in your address. Everything that needed to be filled in that form, make sure you fill it very, very well. After that, then you are going to click on proceed. And on the next page, you will see where they ask you to select where you are applying from. If you are applying from outside the country where you are applying, you see the names of the countries that you are applying for. Then you choose the appropriate country where you are living. You tick on that one. If you are applying from outside Nigeria, then you are going to select diaspora. You will see it, you select diaspora. Then you carefully fill in the form and the address and everything that needed to be done on that particular form. Once you do that, it will pop up biometric form. In that biometric form, once it pop up, you need to print it out. That biometric form, you print it out. When you print it out, you fill your personal information and your passport photograph with your passport number. You see the column for all those things. Fill it very, very well. Then you go to nearby ink shop, maybe where they sell stationaries, books, and other thing. Go and buy ink pad. Because that form you fill, you will see where you will put your thumbprint, the whole of your hands. Follow the direction, the way they put it there. They designed the website very, very well. In fact, Nigeria did not do this one like Nigerian thing. They do it professional. When you buy the ink, then you have to put in your thumbprint on that paper. Once you finish doing that one, then carefully thumbprint on paper. After you do that, a picture, you will see where you will take a picture. You take a picture and save it together with that form that you fill. You take the picture of that form that you fill, that thumbprint form, you thumbprint it very well, then you take it picture and you save it on your system or on your phone. After that, you have the option at the very end to upload your passport biometric page. You will see where it is. Then you upload that biometric form where you do your thumbprinting. You upload it to the website. Then you are going to do proof of resident too. You have to, if you have your resident permit, you have to photocopy it and send it together. That is the proof of residence where you are living, the address and everything you are living abroad. And the biometric form which you fill, once you submitted it, you are required to pay a fee of about $75 to $100. It doesn't pass $100. That is, they put it in dollar for those who are living outside Nigeria. So you pay your fee. Once you pay your fee, after the submission is done, the next step is to go to the website where it says face verification. On that face verification, this is where you are going to put your webcam on your computer, or I don't know, your phone can as well do it, where you will take your face verification. This is very important because it is a very important document. It means for you alone, no any other person. Then you have to verify that you are the one that is applying. Once that is submitted, within 1 to 5 working days, you will get your police character certificate downloaded to your email. Also note, very important, that this police character certificate lasted for about 3 months. It have expiring date. So if you wanted to do it, make sure that you wanted to use it within that period of time. It is no longer the time of when you send somebody to go and do it for you in Lagos or in Abuja. You spend so much amount of money. This now you do it in your computer or in your phone, and they will receive it and respond to you. They will do a background check concerning you to know whether you have committed anything crime in Nigeria or any other place. They will send you the certificate satisfying that you have not or you have committed. Then you have to print it out. Remember, it lasted for 3 months. It will expire. Please, this is the update I bring. For those of you who have been asking how they will get this police character certificate or police clearance if you are living outside Nigeria. This is a very simple step for you to follow to do it. Remember, the website again is POSSAP, POSSAP.gov.ng. Go and type it on your website. Begin the process. It's very, very simple. Make sure your passport is valid, at least 6 months validity before you can do it. If not, renew your passport. Make sure that you have proof of residence. Make sure that you thumbprint very well, thumbprint your hand very, very well, so that they will use it in their system to find out. If your thumbprint is not good, they may not find clear this, and maybe the money you pay may be a waste. But carefully, this whole instruction is there. You can do this thing. It is no longer a time looking for someone who will do this thing. World is not a global village, so you can do this. This is an update I bring. Please help me to share this video. Share it as many as you can so that it will get to people who does not have someone who will do this thing for them in Nigeria. You can do it right inside your sitting room or your bedroom. So see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Thank you.